You want to start earning money online, but you're worried because you don't have any experience. My friend, you don't need experience, you don't need tech skills, and you don't need any fancy degrees for this Legacy Builders program. It is a done for you set up system with a proven blueprint. All you have to do is follow the proven blueprint for beginners. You make your 3 social media posts every day and you copy and paste your ads every day. You answer emails, you answer questions, and you plug into the live trainings. That's it. No degree, no skills required. It is an easy 24/7 automated setup for you system. It is a way to make money online and gain your family time back. It is a side hustle, it is extra income. Some people have made so much money that they're able to quit their full time jobs. Yay, them! One day that will be me. I'll be able to go as needed and work 1 day a week in the hospital. So, if you're ready for a change, if you're ready to learn more about this online digital marketing program that I'm in, put ready in the comments. I am excited to share this information with you and help you build a better future for you and your family. Remember, this is a business, an online business. It is an investment in your future, you guys. Have a wonderful day.